Ano daw kung mangyayari doon sa pangako ng President to support Congressman Martin Romualdez for Vice President in 2020?
Kung tatakbo po si Congressman Romualdez, susuportahan pa rin niya. Pero wala naman pong indication na tatakbo si Congressman Romualdez as Vice President.
Ibig sabihin po ba, sir, kung halimbawa tatakbo si Kong Romualdez, hindi necessarily na magbaback out si Pangulo from running for Vice President?
I was
Ano po
there.
yun?
I was there when the President said that. I forget the occasion. It was a signing of bills into law. And I believe the President said that he is a man of his word. So dahil binitawan niyang salita na kung tatakbo si Congressman Romualdez, susuportahan niya, I believe if Congressman Romualdez will run, he will not run for Vice President.
Alright. Thank you very much, Spokesary. Salamat po.
Thank you. Trish, punta tayo kay Yusek Rocky again.
Yes, yung first question po ni Ace Romero na natanong na ni Pia Ranyada at saka ni Ivan Mayrina about dun sa pagka-edit po ng portion sa Talk to the People. Ang second question po niya, how can Malacañang call the issue involving the President and his daughter a family affair when it involves electoral posts, specifically the two highest posts in the land?
Because the decision to run or to not run is still a personal decision. It is a constitutional right of citizens. And as far as the present sense of delicadeza is concerned, only one Duterte can run, and that is the context by which I say, let the father and daughter deal with the issues.